All right, we're going to be looking at an example of ordering numbers. We've taken a little bit of this in the past, but we're going to add a little bit to what we had been doing. So let's just take a look at our example. Okay, so just like before, we want to put these in order from smallest to largest. We've got some whole numbers, we've got a couple of fractions going on here, we've got a square root, but we also have a couple of expressions. You see we've got 3 squared minus 6, and we have 4 minus 9 over 3. Both of these are going to need to be simplified, just like we had been doing with the other things. So let's start right here, 3 squared minus 6. We know that exponents come before subtraction. So you're going to do 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, or 9. So I'm going to have 9 minus 6 right here. And then 9 minus 6 is going to give me 3. Next, we need to figure out what the square root of 10 is, and you should use your calculator for that. And that should give you 3.16. Next we have 2, so that just comes on down. 5 divided by 2 will be 2.5. And then lastly, we have right here 4 minus 9 over 3. Well, we know that division should come before subtraction, so we need to divide 9 by 3 for starters. Well, 9 divided by 3 will give me 3, so I'm going to have 4 minus 3. And then 4 minus 3 is going to give me 1. So now we've got our list of numbers right here in decimal form that we want to order. So for starters, we see the smallest number is going to be 1. So I'm not going to write 1 down here. I'm going to write 4 minus 9 over 3. So I'm going to cross off this one. The next smallest number that I have is 2. And that was just 2 to begin with, so I can write a 2 down here. Next we have 2.5, which is 5 over 2. Cross these off. We have a 3, but I want to write it as it originally was, so 3 squared minus 6. And then lastly, the 3.16, which is square root of 10. So now we've put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest.